Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change text capitalization in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs apps. Then create your document. Now you can see here are my document. Now I change text capitalization. At first, I have to select this text. Then go to format menu. Now you can see here a text option. Now go to below of the text option and you can see here are capitalization option. Now I choose lowercase. Now you can see all this text are lowercase. You can choose also uppercase. All text are uppercase. I choose. Now I can choose title case. Now you can see I changed text capitalization in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.